The Hackettstown High School Library now has magazines digitally via the Flipster app. To access the Flipster app and look at our digital magazines, go to your app store on your phone and search for Flipster. Download the app. Once it's downloaded, open it. You will be prompted to get started. Either type in the zip code or allow it to know your location. Find Hackettstown High School and click Login. Put in the username and password. You can find it in the Hunt It guide. This is the main screen with all of our magazine subscriptions. Click on one to view. Click Download to download an issue. While that issue is downloading, peruse other issues and queue them for downloading by clicking the downward arrow. Once it's available, it'll say Read. Click on it. Swipe left and right to navigate through the magazine. If you see any links with page numbers or titles in yellow, it's a hyperlink, and it will take you directly to that section. Clicking on the menu button in the upper right-hand corner, you can peruse by section and use the table of contents. Use your fingers to pinch the screen to make the text the size that you would like it. You can also bookmark pages. Click the bookmark button at the top of the page. You can name it and tag it so that it is easy to find later. After naming it, click Save. To retrieve your bookmarks at a later date, you would simply click on My Shelf, and at the top of the page, click Bookmarks. Anywhere that you have set a bookmark, it will list it. To return to your reading material, click Read. Click on Text View. You'll see the article in full text without graphics. You also have the option to listen to the article by clicking the sound button in the upper right-hand corner. Press play.
Let's talk turkey. Kristen Kirkpatrick. You've spent hours preparing the meal. Your Thanksgiving tape.
The article will play for you. Click Cancel to exit, and then Page View to go back to the article. If you're done with the magazine, you click Explore, Explore again, and you are taken out to the main page. If you have any other questions about how to use the Flipster app or our subscriptions, please contact Mrs. Domick in the library.